Find features that distinguish it from other brands for WUWO Little Shark Pool Vacuum. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because powerful suction. WUWO handheld pool vacuum features a 60 watts motor with 36.8 kPa suction power and a flow rate of 18 gallons per minute, suction power for effortless cleaning. 2 cleaning modes. The spa vacuum for hot tub is equipped with 2 cleaning modes. Use brush head mode to remove leaves, dirt, small stones, and debris from the pool floor. Switch to vacuum head mode for larger stones and cleaning corners. Tackles all your cleaning needs with ease. Easy to use. The hot tub vacuum is lightweight at 2.87 pounds and IPX8 waterproof, making it suitable for both cold and warm water. The pool vacuum can be used handheld or attached to any standard pool pole not included. Long battery life. With a 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, the handheld pool vacuum for above-ground pool runs for up to 60 minutes and charges in 4 hours. Gentler charging, longer battery life. Multiple usage scenarios. The handheld pool vacuum is rechargeable and cordless, making it easy to use for fast spot cleaning in swimming pools, hot tubs, ponds, and spas. WUWO Little Shark Pool Vacuum Simple Cleaning, Maximum Power. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.